welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Lydia, and welcome back to another week of What's for Dinner. This Monday we are starting off What's for Dinner week with a big pot of tortellini soup. It's been super cold outside, and this is going to hit the spot. We still have some mashed potatoes and beef stew left over from the other day, but we are definitely going to enjoy this beautiful tortellini soup. Hi everyone, so today is Tuesday and we've had leftovers of beef stew and mashed potatoes, and I still have a lot of beef stew left over. I might have to freeze some. And then we also had tortellini soup. I want to show you guys, my son David did make these little cakes, and then a pan here, and that's just out of like brownie batter. I think he made it before he went to work, so I have that to show you. And let me turn you guys around and show you what I pulled out of the freezer, what we're gonna have tomorrow. So tomorrow I plan on making tacos, so I grabbed one of these out to thaw out, and then some ground beef, and then I also found these Uncrustables in the freezer, and I'm gonna pop these in the fridge and somebody can eat those. So we're just keeping it very simple but yet I think it's gonna be very delicious. I have a coleslaw mix bag in the fridge, so that's going to go really good with our tacos. Right, we are doing taco night, so we have some cheese, salsa, sour cream, coleslaw, cabbage and stuff, and I'm doing 2 of these rice-a-ronis in the microwave. We have the beef tacos, we have the chicken tacos, and we just have some beans boiling up back there. So let me put one together and show you what it's. Cilantro. I also warmed up a can of corn. Here is a taco all made up. I have all this delicious food, and then I also added some cilantro in the chicken. This is really, really good. It is a Thursday, and before all the food is gone, let me show you what I made. I thawed out a huge bag of chicken wings, and I just put that new rotisserie seasoning and a little bit of salt, and I had that marinating all day, and I just threw these in the air fryer at 400 for 30 minutes. And we had a huge Caesar salad, which is almost gone, and we had a lot more wings, but they're gone. So my 2 older kids and my husband like to have it with the side of the wing sauce, and that's just a simple quick dinner. We had quite a bit of leftover tacos, so we've been eating on those, and the little ones had tacos and some wings and some salad. So very, very delicious and simple dinner. We'll see you guys for dinner. We're just doing chicken patties in the air fryer. Grab those out of my freezer. They have some frostbite, but it's okay. They're in the air fryer. I have some lettuce, tomato, pickles, and onion that are going on those, and that's what we're having, a simple dinner. This is what it looks like. It is loaded with everything, and I think it's going to be really, really yummy. Simple, delicious dinner. Keeps us from going out, and we still will get full and enjoy Saturday, and I am cooking up some bacon. I want to make a dupe Olive Garden zuppa toscana. I have not made it in a long time. I had them pick up a bunch, just a kale bunch, and some heavy cream, and I have my potatoes over there. Everything else I have this thawed out, garlic, onion, and then I always have bacon in the freezer. I have quite a bit of bacon, so I just cut up a little bit and sauteed it. I'm gonna put the sausage in, and then from those wings that I had, I made a broth in my crock pot overnight, just from the bones, and that's what I'm going to use as my stock. Here is my beautiful zuppa toscana. Super, super yummy. And I have breadsticks, and I'm going to put those in the air fryer and just warm up a jar of Alfredo sauce and have like a little dupe Olive Garden at home. All right, you guys, last day of What's for Dinner. We grabbed Burger King. I have 2 little sick kids at home. They wanted Burger King. They got cheeseburgers and chicken nuggets. I got a Whopper, fries, and some sauces. And everyone kind of just got whatever they wanted. And that's going to end another video. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.